You may think you're eating enough to stay strong after 60, but what if your breakfast is quietly weakening your muscles instead of building them? What if the foods you're avoiding are actually the ones your body desperately needs to rebuild strength, boost your energy, and reverse age-related muscle loss? And what if the real solution to regaining muscle isn't expensive protein powders, high-priced supplements, or complicated diets, but simple, cheap breakfast foods already sitting in your kitchen? Most seniors are shocked when they discover the truth. The most powerful muscle-building foods after 60 are not sold in health stores or promoted by fitness influencers. They are humble, everyday breakfast items that support your hormones, feed your muscle fibers, increase protein absorption, and help you regain balance, mobility, and independence. Imagine waking up one morning feeling lighter on your feet, able to climb stairs without holding the railing, able to lift grocery bags without pain, or stand up from a chair without pushing with your hands. Imagine strengthening your legs, arms, and core at an age when doctors expect your muscles to shrink. The secret is not more protein powder. The real secret is choosing the right kind of morning foods that gently turn on muscle-building pathways, foods your body absorbs fully, without bloating, gas, or digestive stress. Because after 60, digestion slows, hormones shift, and your muscles stop responding to the same old meals. That's why so many seniors keep losing muscle, even while eating healthy. But the good news is that these simple breakfast foods can reignite your muscle growth naturally. You might have never realized that your breakfast is the first signal your body gets each day. It can either build muscle or break it down. When seniors eat the wrong combination in the morning, like only tea and biscuits or a high-sugar cereal or nothing at all, their body begins the day by breaking down muscle for energy. But when you eat foods rich in natural proteins, muscle-protecting amino acids, healthy fats, and slow-release energy, your body instantly switches into repair mode. That's why these 8 budget-friendly breakfast foods work so quickly. They don't just give you protein, they help your body use protein better. And that brings us to the first powerful food, one that most seniors ignore but should be eating at least 3 to 4 times a week. Plain Greek yogurt, not flavored, not sweetened, just thick, creamy Greek yogurt that contains almost double the protein of regular yogurt. Seniors love it because it's soothing on the stomach, easy to digest, and loaded with calcium that helps maintain strong bones alongside muscle. But the real secret is its unusually high amount of leucine, the amino acid that turns on muscle growth. After 60, your body needs more leucine to trigger the muscle-building signal, and Greek yogurt is one of the easiest ways to get it. Try adding cinnamon, a spoon of nuts, or berries to make it even better for muscle and blood sugar. Just a small bowl can support your morning muscle repair cycle and keep you full for hours, preventing overeating later in the day. The second breakfast food is one seniors often forget about, even though it's one of the cheapest and most powerful muscle support foods on the planet. Eggs. One egg contains every essential amino acid your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Not just protein, the exact building blocks your aging muscles crave. The yolk contains choline for brain function, vitamin D for bones, and healthy fats that help regulate hormones. Seniors who eat eggs in the morning consistently show better strength, balance, and physical function compared to seniors who avoid them. And you don't need many. Even 1 or 2 eggs with a slice of whole grain toast can dramatically change your energy levels. Hard-boiled, scrambled, poached. Any style works as long as you don't fry it in cheap oils. Eggs are one of the most senior-friendly foods because they digest slowly and keep your blood sugar stable, preventing the sudden dips that weaken muscle and reduce stamina. The third breakfast food is warm, comforting, and surprisingly powerful: oats. Many seniors think oats only help with cholesterol or digestion, but few know they contain beta-glucan, a fiber that stabilizes blood sugar and prevents the muscle-breaking stress hormone cortisol from spiking in the morning. Oats also contain plant-based protein, about 6 grams per bowl, and a special type of complex carb that gives your muscles a steady stream of energy for hours. That means more strength, more stamina, and less fatigue during the day. What makes oats so effective for seniors is how gently they digest. They help your gut absorb more nutrients from everything else you eat. And when your gut absorbs more, your muscles grow faster. Add chia seeds, banana slices, or nuts, and oats become a complete muscle support meal. The fourth breakfast food might surprise you because many seniors think it's just a side dish: cottage cheese, creamy, soft, and especially powerful for muscle repair. Cottage cheese contains casein protein, which digests very slowly, providing a long, steady supply of amino acids. This is incredibly important for seniors because your body loses muscle throughout the day if it doesn't receive a steady flow of protein. Cottage cheese prevents that breakdown. Seniors who eat cottage cheese in the morning experience improved muscle retention, stronger legs, and better balance. It also contains vitamin B12, which supports nerves and energy production, two things that weaken with age. You can pair it with fruit, honey, or tomatoes for a refreshing, protein-packed breakfast that builds muscle without heaviness. The fifth breakfast food is perfect for seniors who prefer something savory and filling: beans. Yes, beans for breakfast. They are rich in plant protein, fiber, magnesium, and potassium, nutrients that keep your muscles contracting properly. Beans provide steady energy without spikes or dips, helping you stay active throughout the day. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, any type works. In many cultures, beans are a morning staple for a reason. They help build strength. If you combine beans with eggs or whole grain bread, you create a muscle-building powerhouse meal that is affordable, filling, and incredibly effective for seniors. Most seniors are surprised when they learn that the sixth breakfast food is something they have eaten their whole life but never realized how deeply it affects muscle strength. Peanut butter, but the natural kind, without added sugar or hydrogenated oils. Just 2 tablespoons pack a strong dose of healthy fats and plant protein that seniors absorb slowly and efficiently. These fats help maintain healthy testosterone and estrogen levels, which naturally decline after 60 and lead to faster muscle loss. Peanut butter is one of the few affordable breakfast foods that give you both energy and muscle-protecting nutrition in one spoonful. Spread it on whole grain toast, swirl it into oatmeal, or blend it into a morning smoothie, and you'll notice you stay fuller, stronger, and more energized throughout the day. Seniors who add peanut butter to their morning meals often report reduced cravings, improved stamina, and a noticeable difference in their arm and leg strength within a few weeks. The seventh food is a quiet superstar for seniors who want steady strength all day long. The answer is simple. After 60, your muscles need more support than they did in your 20s and 30s. Your digestion slows, your hormones shift, and your muscles become less sensitive to protein. That means you need not just protein, but the right combination of foods that help your body absorb and use that protein efficiently. Now, the eighth breakfast food may surprise you more than any of the others because most seniors don't think of it as muscle food at all, but it is one of the most effective, especially after age 60. Potatoes. Yes, simple, affordable potatoes. Most people underestimate how essential carbohydrates are for muscle health after 60. Without enough natural carbs, your body will burn muscle for energy, no matter how much protein you eat. Potatoes provide clean, steady fuel that protects your muscle tissue and keeps your metabolism working properly. They're rich in potassium, which supports muscle contractions, and vitamin C, which helps repair tissues. When seniors add a small serving of boiled or baked potatoes to breakfast, like a breakfast hash, mashed potatoes with eggs, or simple roasted cubes, they often experience better walking stamina, stronger legs, and improved physical confidence. Potatoes paired with eggs, beans, or cottage cheese create a complete muscle-supporting breakfast that is delicious, comforting, and very easy to digest. These 8 morning foods work together to activate the muscle-building process, stabilize blood sugar, calm inflammation, and keep your energy steady. They help your body hold on to muscle instead of losing it. And when you start your day with these foods, you give your muscles everything they need to repair, rebuild, and grow stronger. Many seniors don't realize they are accidentally weakening themselves every morning. Eating only tea and biscuits, skipping breakfast, or starting the day with sugary cereal puts your body into a muscle breakdown state. That means you lose strength even before stepping out the door. But when you start the day with natural proteins, muscle-friendly fats, and clean carbs like oats, eggs, potatoes, beans, or yogurt, your body does the opposite. It goes into repair mode. It protects your muscles, strengthens your bones, fuels your brain, and gives you the stability you need to move confidently. This is why seniors who change their breakfast notice results so quickly. Within 2 to 3 weeks, many report improved balance, easier walking, fewer afternoon crashes, and a renewed sense of physical energy. Imagine starting your morning with a meal that supports your heart, brain, and muscles all at once. Imagine feeling grounded, steady, and strong as you move through your day, not dragging your body along with fatigue or stiffness. Seniors who combine these breakfast foods consistently notice physical changes, tighter arms, more toned legs, easier posture, and better endurance during simple daily tasks. And because these foods are affordable, accessible in any grocery store, and extremely easy to prepare, they are perfect for seniors living on a budget or those who don't want complicated meal plans. Let's take a moment to imagine a morning routine built around these foods. You wake up, stretch your arms and legs, and feel a little more flexible than usual. You walk to the kitchen and prepare a simple bowl of Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds and a drizzle of honey. Or maybe you cook 2 soft-boiled eggs with a side of lightly seasoned potatoes. Perhaps you enjoy a warm bowl of oats with peanut butter stirred in. Instead of feeling heavy or tired after breakfast, you feel awake, supported, and nourished. Your muscles receive exactly what they need to rebuild after sleep. Your blood sugar stays stable, your digestion stays calm, your energy stays steady. This is how muscle building is supposed to feel after 60. Gentle, natural, and sustainable. Most seniors are surprised by how quickly their strength returns once they replace breakfast habits that break down muscle with foods that build it up. They begin noticing that everyday activities become easier. Lifting grocery bags, standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, walking longer distances, or bending to tie their shoes. These changes aren't dramatic overnight. They are steady, reliable improvements that build day after day. And once that momentum starts, seniors feel encouraged, motivated, and proud of their progress. The truth is, you don't need expensive supplements or fancy protein powders to regain strength after 60. Your body responds far better to real food, especially in the morning. And even if you've lost muscle over the years, even if you feel weaker today than you did last year, your muscles can still grow, repair, and strengthen. The human body is remarkable at any age, and with the right breakfast choices, you can give your body the tools it needs to thrive. As you begin adding these foods to your morning routine, something important starts happening inside your body. Something most seniors never feel because they've unknowingly been eating breakfasts that work against them. Your muscles start responding again. The slow decline that felt normal with age begins to reverse. Instead of waking up stiff, weak, or unsteady, you start feeling more stable, more supported, and more capable. Your body begins using protein more efficiently, your digestion becomes smoother, and you experience fewer crashes throughout the day. It's not magic, it's simply giving your muscles the right fuel at the right time. And once your muscles receive the nutrients they've been missing for years, they work the way they were designed to work. Even after 60, 70, or 80, most seniors don't realize how much their breakfast influences their energy, mood, memory, balance, and overall vitality. The first meal of the day sets the rhythm for your metabolism, your hormones, and your muscles. If you begin the day with nothing but tea, cookies, sugary bread, or sweetened cereals, your body doesn't get the message to start repairing muscle. Instead, it starts breaking it down for energy. But when your first meal contains natural protein from Greek yogurt or eggs, steady carbs from oats or potatoes, and nourishing fats from peanut butter or chia seeds, your body receives a signal of stability. That signal reduces cortisol, supports hormone function, protects your muscles, and keeps your blood sugar steady for hours. This is why seniors who eat these simple breakfast foods often say they feel alive again. It's not the food alone, it's what the food does inside the body. Muscles that were shrinking begin to wake up. Joints that felt stiff start moving more freely because stronger muscles support them. The legs feel lighter during walks. Stairs feel less intimidating. Even breathing feels easier because stronger core muscles support your posture. These changes create a quiet confidence, a sense that you're not just surviving through aging, you're strengthening through it. And the best part is, you don't need complicated meals to see these improvements. A bowl of oats with peanut butter, a couple of eggs with potatoes, a cup of Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds. These meals take minutes. They are affordable, widely available, and perfect for seniors who don't want to rely on powders, pills, or expensive supplements. Real food builds real strength. Your muscles recognize it, your metabolism recognizes it, your bones recognize it, and your body responds. Many seniors ask why these foods seem to work faster than supplements. The answer is simple. Your digestive system is designed to absorb nutrients from whole foods, not synthetic formulas. Protein powders often cause bloating, gas, inflammation, or nutrient malabsorption, especially after 60, when digestion naturally becomes more sensitive. Whole foods deliver protein slowly and gently, allowing your muscles to use every gram efficiently. They also provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that powders simply cannot duplicate. When you combine these foods in the morning, you create the perfect environment inside your body for muscle repair and growth. Now imagine a morning a few weeks from now. You open your eyes and notice your body feels lighter when you get out of bed. You stand up a little easier, your legs feel stronger underneath you. You walk to the kitchen with a sense of comfort and steadiness. You prepare your breakfast, without rushing. Maybe Greek yogurt with chia seeds, maybe eggs and potatoes, maybe creamy cottage cheese with fresh fruit. You sit down, take your first bite, and feel good knowing you are feeding your muscles exactly what they've been needing all these years. You finish your breakfast and start moving through your morning feeling supported instead of drained. You pick up things more easily, you walk with more confidence, the small aches feel less noticeable, and when you look in the mirror, you begin seeing subtle changes, a little more tone, a little more strength, a little more life in your posture. This is what happens when seniors fuel their morning the right way. Age stops feeling like a decline and starts feeling like a transformation. Your body becomes your partner again instead of feeling like a burden. And the best part is, this transformation doesn't require drastic diets, gym memberships, or expensive supplements. It requires only consistent, nourishing choices every morning. Choices that any senior can make, even on a tight budget, even with limited mobility, even with a slow metabolism. What matters most is consistency. A single morning won't change everything, but a few weeks of choosing the right breakfast can shift the entire direction of your health. Your muscles start rebuilding, your energy deepens, your balance improves, your appetite stabilizes, your confidence grows. And as these changes build, you discover something powerful. You are not too old to rebuild muscle. You are not too old to gain strength. You are not too old to take back control of your body. Every morning gives you a chance to strengthen your future. Every breakfast is an opportunity to tell your body, I am building myself today. And when you nourish yourself with these 8 foods, Greek yogurt, eggs, oats, cottage cheese, beans, peanut butter, chia seeds, and potatoes, you give your body everything it needs to protect your independence, support your mobility, and keep your muscles alive and active. As you continue using these foods, remember that small changes compound. The more consistent you are, the more your muscles wake up. The more they wake up, the more energy you have. And the more energy you have, the more your daily life begins to feel easier and more enjoyable. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness. It doesn't have to mean decline. You have the power to strengthen your body with something as simple as the breakfast you choose each morning. If you begin your day with foods that energize, support, and protect your muscles, you will feel the difference. Not just in your strength, but in your confidence, your mobility, your mood, and your overall quality of life. And every improvement you feel is a reminder that your muscles are still capable of growing, no matter your age. Your morning choices can become your strongest tool for rebuilding your body one day at a time, one bite at a time, one breakfast at a time.